In this compelling video, we explore the urgent questions surrounding our planet's future. Are we too late to reverse the damage we've done? With scientists sounding the alarm on global warming, devastating species extinction, and rampant deforestation, we shed light on the alarming rate at which these crises are unfolding. From the threats to our oceans and the pressures of overpopulation to the significant political and economic barriers that hinder progress, we'll investigate why some experts believe the battle against environmental decline may already be lost and what role we can still play in shaping a sustainable future. Join us as we delve into the complex interplay of technology, individual responsibility, and collective action in this critical dialogue. 1. The alarming rate of global warming. The Earth's temperature is rising at an unprecedented rate. According to NASA, the planet's average surface temperature has risen about 1.18 degrees Celsius since the late 19th century. This might not sound like much, but small changes in the Earth's temperature can lead to massive shifts in weather patterns and ecosystems. The polar ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. This is not just a future problem. Many coastal cities worldwide are already experiencing frequent flooding. The sheer speed of these changes has led some scientists to believe that reversing the effects might no longer be possible. 2. Extinction of species at an unprecedented pace. The loss of biodiversity is another major concern. The rate of species extinction is currently estimated to be 1,000 to 10,000 times higher than the natural extinction rate. This is primarily due to habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. When species vanish, it disrupts ecosystems and affects the delicate balance of nature. For instance, the loss of bees, crucial pollinators, poses a severe threat to global food production. When key species disappear, the consequences ripple throughout the food chain, affecting not just the environment but also human survival. 3. Deforestation and its dire consequences. Forests act as the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Yet, they are being destroyed at an alarming rate. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the Earth's lungs, has seen a significant increase in deforestation. Between August 2020 and July 2021, deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon rose by 22%, according to Brazil's National Institute for Space Research. This loss not only contributes to increased carbon emissions but also destroys the habitats of countless species. When forests disappear, the planet loses one of its best natural defenses against climate change. 4. Oceans under threat. The world's oceans are not just vast bodies of water. They're crucial to regulating the Earth's climate. They absorb a significant amount of carbon dioxide, but this is leading to ocean acidification. The increasing acidity harms marine life, particularly organisms like coral reefs that are essential to marine ecosystems. Furthermore, rising ocean temperatures are causing coral bleaching, where corals lose their vibrant colors and die. With marine life under threat, the livelihoods of millions who depend on the ocean are at risk. 5. Overpopulation and unsustainable consumption. The Earth's population has exploded over the past century, leading to increased demand for resources. Our consumption patterns are unsustainable, with the World Wildlife Fund reporting that we are using 1.7 times the Earth's resources. This overconsumption leads to increased waste and pollution. Our reliance on fossil fuels and the production of single-use plastics are just a couple of examples of how our lifestyle is harming the planet. Scientists argue that unless there is a radical change in our consumption habits, the damage might be irreversible. 6. Political and economic barriers. While the science is clear, political and economic barriers often hinder meaningful action. Short-term economic gains are frequently prioritized over long-term environmental health. International agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to combat climate change, but many countries fail to meet their targets. Political will is crucial, yet it often falls short due to competing interests and lack of consensus. This inaction has led some scientists to feel that the necessary changes might not happen in time to prevent catastrophic outcomes. 7. The role of technology and innovation. While some scientists are pessimistic, others believe that technology and innovation could offer solutions. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are becoming more accessible. Innovations in carbon capture technology and sustainable agriculture practices show promise. However, the implementation and scale of these technologies are often limited by cost and infrastructure challenges. The question remains whether these advancements can be deployed quickly enough to make a significant impact. 8. Individual responsibility and collective action. While governments and corporations play a significant role, individual actions also matter. Reducing personal carbon footprints, supporting sustainable products, and spreading awareness are steps individuals can take. Collective action, such as community initiatives and grassroots movements, can drive change and hold larger entities accountable. The power of collective effort should not be underestimated, but it requires widespread participation and commitment. In conclusion, while some scientists believe the battle against climate change is already lost, others hold on to hope. The reality is complex, and the path forward requires urgent and sustained action from all levels of society. The stakes are high, and the time to act is now.